In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CapCut to add and manage text in your video projects. If you're looking to level up your video editing skills, stick around as I'll be guiding you through these steps, ensuring you understand not just the how, but also the why behind each action. Let's begin by focusing on how to add text to your video. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate over to the Text tab within CapCut. This is your starting point for adding any text elements. Think of it as your gateway to enhancing videos with titles, captions, or any other textual information you might want to include. Click on the option to add a text box. As you do this, you'll notice a new text layer appear on your timeline. This is where you can start creating your on-screen narrative or message. Now, you'll probably want to add more than just a single text element to fully communicate your story. To do this, you'll need to go through the process again by clicking Add Text once more. This will give you another text box to work with. It's quite straightforward, just like adding a second layer on a cake, allowing you to build more complex and detailed narratives. Once you have multiple text boxes, it's time to arrange these layers on your timeline. Imagine stacking layers of pancakes. Each layer represents a different text element. You want them well organized to ensure a cohesive look. In your timeline, drag and drop these text layers one above the other. This lets you manage how they appear in relation to one another, giving you control over which text appears in front and which stays in the background. Next, let's talk about positioning. It's not just about having the text in your video, it's about where and how it appears to your audience. In CapCut, there's a preview window we're going to use to position each text box individually. Click on the text in the timeline, and then in the preview window, click and drag to place it exactly where you want it on the screen. This level of precision ensures your text aligns well with other visual elements, drawing the viewer's attention appropriately. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to add and manage text within your video projects using CapCut. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to add text, but also how to organize and position text elements in a way that enhances your video's overall presentation. Get creative and experiment with different styles and placements to see what works best for your project. Thanks for joining me today. And be sure to practice these techniques on your next editing session. Happy editing!